According to the United Nations, there are 22,000 universities in this world. If you're a student or a parent, there are 3 critical questions that you need to answer right now. 1. Which universities to apply to? 2. What program of study or major to select? And 3. How to make all of this possible within your family's budget. This is exactly the time when you start looking for counselors or consultants to guide you through making these decisions. But there is a problem. On one side, you have experienced private counselors who charge an upfront fee of, let's say, $5,000 to $25,000, but with no responsibility of what comes out of the admissions process. On the other side, you have agents who might not charge you a consulting fee or charge a very small consulting fee because they get commissions from their partner universities. So it's in their interest to actually send you to only their partner universities from where they can get a commission. At Asaro Education, we believe that there should be a middle ground. I'm proud to say that we are the first educational counselors that I know of to introduce the outcome-based counseling model. In our model, families invest a minimal initial fee to start the application process, and then after the decisions are released, we charge a success fee. But after being the main word. I don't know how to make it any better for the families. This is our way of showing that we are with you throughout the game, all the way till the end, and you pay us after you've received the admissions or scholarship decisions that you're looking for. If this feels like something your family would be interested in, I encourage you to check out all the pathways on our website, see which one would be the best fit for you, and then get in touch with us and let's get started.